Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Bronco Everglades versus the Raptor. We'll explore their distinct strengths and help you decide which rugged SUV best suits your adventurous lifestyle. The Everglades is engineered for conquering swamps and deep water, while the Raptor dominates high-speed desert terrain and challenging rock trails. Both are formidable off-road machines, but they cater to different types of extreme driving. Let's dive into the details of each. The Ford Bronco Everglades is your ultimate companion for wet and muddy adventures. It comes standard with a factory-installed snorkel, allowing it to ford water up to 36.4 inches deep. Plus, a powerful 10,000-pound Warn winch is integrated into the front bumper, ready for any recovery needs. This model also includes 35-inch mud-terrain tires and the Sasquatch package, providing excellent ground clearance and traction for challenging swampy trails. For those craving high-speed desert thrills and serious rock crawling, the Ford Bronco Raptor is unmatched. It's powered by a robust 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering 418 horsepower. The advanced Haas 4.0 suspension, with FOX live valve dampers, provides exceptional control over rough terrain. With 37-inch all-terrain tires and a significantly wider track, the Raptor is engineered for extreme performance and durability. So, which Bronco is better? It truly depends on your preferred off-road adventure. The Everglades is purpose-built for conquering wet, muddy environments and offers practical recovery tools like its integrated winch. The Raptor, with its powerful engine and advanced suspension, is designed for high-speed desert racing and tackling the most extreme rock trails. Both are incredibly capable, but they specialize in different types of terrain. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.